Yum.
Today is it's about you guys, right? When we rolled into 2018, we sat down as brothers and my dad, we had a 2019 strategy planning meeting, right? We talked about locations, we talked about other services, okay, and we put together this plan. We are constantly changing and adapting to what's going on around us and what's happening to us. You were at personally a year ago compared to where you're at now. I hope that you feel like you're in a better position. We've now been able to officially kind of establish a fourth division, and that's services, all right? 52% growth from last year. It's incredible. It's incredible. And I don't say that to like toot our horn, it's like humbling for me. And that is 100% attributed to you guys. So 2020 is gonna be our year. And I can't tell you exactly what that means, but I can tell you that 2020 is going to be incredible. And if you don't feel that way, I want you to come into my office and sit down and talk.
To have the buy-in and the training, right, and the opinions and the feedback from all of you guys in the commercial division, that is something that I want, I cherish that, I listen to it, and it's only because of you guys and your opinions and your ideas is that we elevate ourselves.
$1 million in single ply. So TPO, rubber, EPDM, yeah. So that's something we have not done in the past. It's new territory for us, but we know that the market's going that way and we've got to be a part of it.
Long days, long afternoons, early mornings, you know, in the rain, in the heat. Thank you guys so much, man. You guys have done an amazing job.
I've never been more excited for this year. We've already made some phenomenal changes with the sales tech position and actually get work done. You know, I'll shout out to Tyler right now. Last week, Tyler completed over $6,000 in repairs by himself. He doesn't have a helper. He just goes, he's a one-man show. So he's been killing it with that, and our whole sales team has just been on fire, very bright, and hopefully we can keep some consistency and up our service. So that's all I got.
Love it. Hey, give it up for Justin.
B2B, I'm excited for this year. We've got a lot of good stuff coming. Our sales team's doing awesome. Kay's been a huge asset to our team over the last couple of months. So just give a round of applause for the girls we got.
The Donkey Award goes to the employee that every day just comes out and literally just kicks ass, okay? These are the guys who are willing to do anything and everything, and if you guys are working with him or around him, you're gonna know why he's getting the Donkey Award this month, and the Donkey Award this month goes to Grant.
This is the safety award. I mean, you guys know what this is. I mean, for the person who shows safety attributes throughout his workday, and the person who's really been standing out to me and sending in videos and pictures and really just going above and beyond and making sure all of his work sites are taken care of properly with his cones out and his drop zones, his ladders at the right angle. This guy would be a Howell. So.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Willing to do anything. We've seen a huge change in work orders and all the admin behind it. We sat down at the beginning of the year and went over some goals with him, and his goals for the year are incredible. He's going to be an awesome asset to the team this year. The Employee of the Month this year is Jake Cochrane.
3, 2, 1.